Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It looks like all the Nintendo stuff has arrived. I have the nice bag right here, the Mario Strikers, as you can see. Flipping it over, we have an amazing design here. And of course we have the other thing as well for the phone. Then the Kirby shopping bag and the Nintendo Switch Sports towel. It's a very thin towel, I'll tell you that. Alright, so here's a better look at the thing that you put behind your phone. It's kind of like a stand, Team Galactic by Pokemon. And this, of course, you could control it. You could put this behind your phone. Everything here is technically exclusive. I will not be opening this bag. It is very exclusive. Same thing with this. And of course, a towel. Again, it is a very, very thin towel. Of course, here are the coasters. Animal Crossing. They came with 3 of them. This is what they look like. This is technically what they are. Not kind of flimsy, but I mean, I guess they technically do the job and they do the work if you're having a morning coffee or a morning tea. This does seem to be pretty durable at all. This doesn't look like they bend. I say like overall everything here is like a decent quality. I do think you're technically getting your money's worth if you are buying a bunch of stuff from the My Nintendo site. So really cool. Again, everything here costed about 3,000 platinum points, which is really nice. I could definitely tell you that this actually is a really good drawstring bag. And drawstring bags alone go for about 10-15 bucks. Towel, not much. A shopping bag like this, it's very flimsy and whatnot, so it's not really that durable. Coasters aren't too crazy on quality, but I will tell you right now that I definitely think I got my money's worth. I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see you guys next time.